Accidentally turned on that little floating home button on your iPhone, and now it's always in the way? Don't worry, I'll walk you through exactly how to remove it in just a few taps. Stick with me till the end to make sure it's fully gone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap on Touch. Next, select the very first option at the top called AssistiveTouch. You'll see a switch at the top. Go ahead and toggle it off. As soon as you do, the floating home button will disappear from your screen. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. And that's it. Super simple. Double check your screen. If you no longer see the floating button, it worked. If it ever comes back, just revisit these same settings to turn it off again. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.